What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a 3-in-1 get ready with me, and we're going to be doing my makeup, my hair, and you're going to see a few outfits on me as well. I'm super excited because I don't think I've ever done a 3-in-1 get ready with me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please go ahead and click that subscribe button if you're new. For all of my OGs, welcome back. And let's do some makeup, girl. So here we're just starting with the brows. This is my normal brow routine. I do have a brow routine on my channel that I've already done for you all. So if you haven't seen it, I will link it up in the cards. Make sure you check that video out after this one. So I don't think brows are complete until I put the concealer around it. I feel like that just sharpens it up, cleans up any hairs. Maybe you didn't get to tweeze your brows this week. That's okay, because the concealer will hide it and keep everything down and sharp and just looking good. So we're going to move into the eyes, and I'm going to prime my eyes. I just used regular old concealer to prime my eyes, and I'm going to use the MakeupShayla Perception palette on the eyes today. Haven't used that palette in a while, and I absolutely love it. You guys know I love ColourPop shadows, love MakeupShayla, so this was just a perfect combination. So this day I was going for a super simple look. This is like my everyday, or not everyday, I'll say my going out routine. So say I'm going out with my girls or going on a date night. This look is super simple. The eye look, the lashes, oh, I loved those lashes. Those are the EyelureXJasmineVrown lashes. They're amazing. And here I'm just showing you guys my favorite moisturizer. I've already moisturized my face with that It Cosmetics moisturizer, and now we're just going to start on the face makeup. All of the makeup that I use will be listed down below in the description box as per usual. So if I don't mention something in this voiceover, make sure you head on down there and check that out. So like I just said, this is a very simple look, like a classic glam look, really for any occasion. You can wear any outfit color with it. You don't have to worry about matching it up to something. I mean, this look is just perfect for anything, and this is really my go-to look. Love doing this look. I also love mixing my concealer colors. As you can see, I mixed 2 shades in the Fenty concealer, and I feel like it just balances it out. When I have a cool tone concealer and a warm tone concealer together, it really does balance it out underneath my eyes and just leave me with the perfect color. Moving on to highlighter. This highlighter has been one of my favorites lately, and it's the DesiXKaty collaboration with Dose of Colors. Child, don't give me the line because I don't know what the name of it is, but of course it'll be down below in the description box. I've been loving this highlighter. It just gives you such a gorgeous, gorgeous, blinding glow. It's so pretty. Then I decided to continue on with the simple and just use this Fenty gloss in Fussy, and I'm just going to add that to the lips. Very easy, simple look. Anyone can do it. And really, I'm just going to spray my setting spray. This is the new Farsali setting spray. Oh, it's so beautiful, you guys. I'm just going to spray that on my face, and we are done with the makeup. Moving into part 2 of this 3-in-1, we're going to do the hair, and you guys have been going crazy for this wig. I've been wearing it for about a month now, and it is so beautiful. It was like $60. I found it on Amazon again, so I will link it down below in the description box, but this wig is like everything. So if you guys have a chance, make sure you get your hands on it. It was sold out for a minute, but they brought it back. So we're just going to do some simple wand curls. You guys know I suck at hair, but wand curls I can do pretty well. So we're just gonna simple out some wand curls. It's gonna turn into waves at the end and just gonna look absolutely beautiful and effortless. So for this video, I am partnering with ROSEWE.com. They are a super affordable online boutique, and they just have some really cute, trendy clothing pieces. So I got this first top from their website, and oh my gosh, this is like my favorite top ever. As you can see, it's a little big. I did pick up a large. I'm 5'3", about 170 pounds, and I'm like in between a medium and a large. So I got the size up, but if you decide to shop this top, make sure if you're in between a size, you go a size down, because the top was kind of big, but it is just so pretty. I'm gonna pin it up, and I swear to God, I'm wearing this weekend, you guys. I absolutely love it. The link to the clothing would be down below if you guys are interested, but I just paired it with some ripped jeans and some red bottoms, and oh, this is totally my weekend outfit. It is just so gorgeous. It has the belt in the middle, and I'm in love. So this is the second outfit that I got from ROSEWE.com, and this is a color blocked jumpsuit. So this is a one piece. This, again, as you can see, was a little big. I did end up getting a size large, which I should have gotten a size medium, but I loved this jumpsuit. It was super comfortable, and what I loved most about it was that you could dress it up or down. So here you see me pair it with the same red bottoms and also my Louis Vuitton Neverfull, and you could wear it, totally wear it like this, and it looks so gorgeous. Or you can go ahead and dress it down with sneakers, which I also did, for a nice chilled relaxed day, and I'm telling you, you love it just the same. But that is it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you're interested in any of the clothing that I showed you, I will have the links to everything down below. So make sure you go ahead and check out ROSEWE's website. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye, guys.
And although it hurts,